This video will talk about how to administer an assignment group once it's already created. It will also show you how to navigate an assignment group dashboard. There are two types of cards associated with an assignment group: navy blue cards, which take you to the dashboard of the assignment group, and light blue cards, which represent individual assignments. If you have admin permissions on an assignment group, but were not assigned any documents within that group, you will only see a navy blue card. If you have admin permissions on an assignment group and were also assigned documents within that group, you will see the navy blue card and a light blue card for your individual assignment. If you are an admin on an assignment group, you will have access to the assignment group's dashboard view. You can access this view by clicking on the dark blue card. In the assignment group dashboard view, you have access to a high-level overview of the total review progress through an assignment group, as well as the progress of reviewers through their individual assignments within the group. You can see the total progress of the assignment group, as well as the assignment group name, who created the assignment group, and the date that the assignment group was created. To rename an assignment group, click the current name to highlight it, and then type in a new name. To favorite the assignment group, click the star icon next to the name. To message the assignment group creator, click on the creator's name under the assignment group name. To message all members who are assigned documents, click the message icon in the top right. To share the assignment group with others, click the share icon. Note that if a user does not have permissions to receive, create, or administer assignments, they are not eligible to access the assignment group. You can determine whether recipients have access to view the dashboard or to allocate documents, share the dashboard, and delete it. Upon receiving permissions to the assignment group, the user will see the navy blue card on their homepage. To delete the assignment group, click the trash can icon. Note that even though the assignments will be deleted, the review work on the documents will not. The large central panel displays individual assignment cards. On each card, you can see the reviewer responsible for the assignment, the total number of documents within an assignment, and a progress chart. To message a reviewer, hover over the appropriate name badge in the upper corner of the card and click it. To favorite an assignment, click on the star icon. You can rearrange the cards alphabetically or by percent complete by toggling the option in the upper left. You can filter the cards by name using the input box. You can view documents in an assignment group based on review status. By default, clicking on the link will bring up all the reviewed documents in a results table. To pull up a different set of documents, click on the toggle and select from the list. You can choose to retrieve all reviewed documents, all unreviewed documents, or all documents in the assignment group. The batch size tool allows you to adjust the default batch size when reviewers self-assign documents, if the administrator enabled self-assigning. If you want to set a standard batch size for an assignment, click the batch size icon and input the number of documents you want reviewers to receive when they check out a new batch from the assignment group. Using the left-hand panel, you can navigate to the dashboard view for all assignments you have the proper permissions for. Alternatively, you can also see this information broken down by user instead of assignment group. You can also use the input box in the left panel to filter the list of assignment groups or users. To view and adjust current self-assigned settings, click on the self-assign icon. To check any existing permissions, click on the link that says View All Users Who Can Currently Self-Assign at the bottom of the dialog box. To give individuals the ability to self-assign documents, select them from the list so that they are highlighted, then press Submit. Note that any user with admin permissions on the assignment group or admin permissions on assignments overall will be able to self-assign by default. Currently unassigned documents live in the transparent card in your assignment group dashboard. You can click it to assign the unassigned documents out. Next, you can choose how many documents each reviewer is to receive. Note that you do not have to assign out all the documents in the unassigned pool. To unassign documents from a user, click on the menu icon on the appropriate batch card and select the Unassign option. To reassign documents from one reviewer to another, select the Reassign option. You cannot reassign reviewed documents. Only currently unreviewed documents from the selected batch will be reassigned. A menu will appear where you can specify which reviewer or reviewers you would like to reassign documents to. Next, you can choose how many documents you would like to reassign to each reviewer. Wait for the dashboard to refresh to see the updated cards. The reassigned documents will not be added to the pre-existing assignment. Instead, a new assignment will be created. Dynamic assignments can be distinguished by the blue Inclusion Criteria button. To edit an assignment's inclusion criteria, or to change the assignment group from dynamic to static, click the Inclusion Criteria button. To edit an inclusion criteria, make the appropriate changes in the query builder and click Save. When you click Save, the assignment group will update to reflect the new criteria. If the change results in documents being removed from your assignment, only documents from the unassigned pool will be removed. Any already assigned document will not be removed regardless of whether it satisfies the updated inclusion criteria. If you want to switch a dynamic assignment to a static one, open the Inclusion Criteria panel and select Freeze Assignment Group. No new documents matching the inclusion criteria will be automatically added to the assignment. If you are changing a static assignment to a dynamic one, create your inclusion criteria and then press Enable. A task will run in the background. Wait for the page to refresh to see the updated cards. Note that all documents matching the new inclusion criteria will be added to the batch of currently unassigned documents in the assignment group. Any document that has already been assigned out before adding the inclusion criteria will still be assigned and retained in the assignment group, even if it does not satisfy the new inclusion criteria. You can also choose to edit the review criteria for any assignment. By default, the review criteria is any rating, meaning documents that have been rated in any way will be considered reviewed. To change this, click on the Review Criteria button and edit the review criteria. Then, click Save and allow the page to refresh. Any assignment group that has a review criteria that is not the default criteria will have a blue Review Criteria button. If you have any questions, please consult our help documentation at support.everlaw.com, or feel free to contact us by message, email, or phone.